Hey there! At Orchid Digitals, we specialize in creating stunning 3D acrylic glow signboards. And we'd love to help you bring your vision to life. To get started, we just need three simple things from you. First, click a picture of the spot where you want to install your glow sign. This will help us understand the space we are working with. Second, send us the design file of your logo. Adobe Illustrator or Corel Draw files work best for this. Finally, let us know the approximate dimensions you're thinking of, height and width.
These inputs will help us create a detailed proposal for you to study. And this proposal will, among other things, contain a recommended layout and precise dimensions of the logos and letters on the signboard. We also list the materials that will be used for the project. Here, we talk about laser cut sheets of ACP and acrylic that will be used to fabricate our logo. We then give information about the LEDs that will light up the entire structure. We even specify the types of vinyl that will be used to reproduce your brand colors. The specifications page of our proposal will clarify which parts of the signboard are 3D and lit. Finally, we create a day view and a night view of the signboard. This will give you an idea of what to expect once the project is completed. And all the details in our proposal will help you make a decision about the acrylic LED signboard that will go on to highlight your business and impress every one of your clients.